Hi guys, in today's one I'm going to be showing you how you can customize and build your web page. This includes hyperlinks, creating downloads and basic formatting. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on Start, All Programs, and Start the front page. We're going to click on Personal Web. Again, to make sure this little bit pops up, so it should be down by your taskbar. Now we've got this screen here, and we'll insert our password, and we're into the web again. Now there's some basic bits we should know. Now index.html, what this means, this is basically the home page. So when we go and we connect to our machine at localhost, this is showing index.html. There are other pages we can see as well. So this one here is favorite.html, but by default it shows index.html. So what I'm going to go and I'm going to do is we're going to double click on index. It will bring up this sort of word looking panel. From here we can work with the website. So it's a bit like a text editor. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all of this. We can start again from scratch. These little buttons here, I'll show you how to customize in a moment. To insert a hyperlink, I'm going to put this here. Let's say, type here, favorite page. I'm going to highlight it, go to insert, and press hyperlink, or you can do Control K. For on this screen, you can either select a page here, or I can come to this bar here where it says URL. I can type https secure google.co.uk. Now I've created that, I'm going to come up and I'm going to press save. So if I go back to Internet Explorer, go to localhost. So you can see this is now here. I'm going to click on it and it will take us to, well, it should take us to Google. But that's not the only way you can do it. Delete that and we can put classics, select that, hyperlink, and we can pick a page. So I want to make it go to this one here, photo.html. Click on that, save. Now we go back to Google, go back to our page. Oh, I didn't save it. Make sure you do have to make sure you save it. Refresh it, then we click here, it will bring us to this page here. That's quite cool and all, but what if you want to expand it more? Let's say download something. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make sure this window is open and still there. Then we're going to head to, I'm going to head to my computer documents. So we'll look for a file. This one will do 7-zip. So I'm going to pull up this page, minimize it. So what I should be able to do is drag this over, and now it's imported. So now we have here our little file. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it and I'm going to copy it to a folder. So we've got in this folder here is our 7zip.exe. So now when I head over to the front page editor, I can do create a download here. So I've got 7-zip, insert, hyperlink. It's going to go to double click on images, and we're going to select this file here. So now I do OK and save. I'm going to head back to Internet Explorer. Just come out of photo.html. So I'm here. There we have it. You can download this file. Pretty cool, right? As well as changing downloads, and you can also insert images. So we go to insert, we've got all these little options here. Files, I prefer to do the file hyperlink method. We can do activate scripts, I'll cover that in another video. We've got all our little buttons and labels here in our bits. So if I go and do an image, I can click on this little button here, which lets me select a file on my hard drive. Whilst this is efficient and useful, that's not going to work. Once again, we're going to have to drag it. So I'm going to go to Google, I'm just going to quickly find an image. Save the right click it and save the picture. Save. So now I've saved that image, I can once again come back to my documents. Here's the image here. And I am going to drag it across. So there we are. So now what I can do is I can go and insert the image in images. This one, here it is. I've got all these little bits here where I can click and I can drag it. So I've got my little image. I'll save it. Hop back to Internet Explorer. And there we are. Our home page and our image. But it's quite cool to have index.html, but what if we want more pages? If we pull back up to this window, we can right click here and we get the option to do a new page and a new folder. When you're naming this page, you must make sure it ends in HTML. For instance, blank page. If I just do that, the page is not going to load. Again, we're going to have to make sure it ends in .html. So now if I go to Internet Explorer, localhost, /images, here we are, blank page, which is as simple as it sounds. A blank page. And that's all for this video, and in the next one I'll show you some more customization skills and some useful methods you can use to get it up on another computer. Thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next one.